life. A tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow. Each thread tells a story, a moment captured in time, a memory etched into the fabric of our existence. The vibrant colours of joy and the dark hues of sorrow intertwine, creating a complex pattern that defines who we are. Mine, it seems, has been predominantly spun with the latter. The threads of sorrow have woven themselves deeply into my life, overshadowing the moments of joy. Each touch of the dark fabric brings back memories of pain and heartache. Arguments, like relentless storms, have ravaged my peace. The thunderous clashes and the violent waves have left me battered and bruised, struggling to find calm amidst the chaos. The storms have been unyielding, each one more ferocious than the last. Each conflict a bitter seed sown, yielding a harvest of anxiety. The seeds have taken root, growing into a tangled mess of worry and fear. The once fertile ground of my mind is now overrun with the weeds of doubt and despair. Now I stand weary, my spirit heavy with disillusionment. The weight of my experiences has left me drained, struggling to find the strength to carry on. The dim light offers little comfort, casting long shadows that only deepen my sense of isolation. The path ahead seems shrouded in mist, the destination unclear. Each step is taken with trepidation, unsure of what lies ahead. The fog obscures my vision, making it difficult to see the way forward. The uncertainty is paralyzing, leaving me hesitant to move. My reflection in the still water no longer inspires. The face staring back at me is one of weariness and sorrow, a stark contrast to the person I once was. The troubled expression is a constant reminder of the battles I've fought and the toll they've taken on me. It shows a traveller, weathered and burdened. The years have not been kind, leaving their mark on my face and my spirit. The heavy backpack I carry is filled with the weight of my experiences, each step a struggle against the burden. The years have etched lines of worry on my face, each telling a tale of battles fought and lost. The deep lines are a testament to the struggles I have endured, the sleepless nights and the endless days of worry. Each wrinkle is a story, a chapter in the book of my life. Where did I go wrong? What path could I have chosen that would have brought me peace? The crossroads are a constant reminder of the choices I've made, each one leading me further away from the peace I so desperately seek. The maze of life is filled with dead ends and wrong turns, leaving me lost and confused. The sun, though bright, offers little warmth to my soul. The light is a stark contrast to the darkness within, a reminder of the joy that seems just out of reach. The warmth of the sun is fleeting, unable to penetrate the coldness that has settled in my heart. Even the laughter of children grates on my ears. The sound, once a source of joy, now feels like a cruel reminder of what I've lost. The joyful noise is a stark contrast to the sombre figure I've become, a painful reminder of the happiness that eludes me. There is no solace in the world around me, only a hollow echo of what might have been. The empty room is a reflection of my inner emptiness. The echoes a reminder of the dreams that have slipped through my fingers. The shadow on the wall is a constant companion, a reminder of the person I once was. I am adrift in a sea of despair, yearning for a safe harbour. The stormy seas are a reflection of my inner turmoil, the waves crashing against the fragile boat of my spirit. The distant lighthouse is a beacon of hope, a reminder that there is still a chance for peace if only I can find my way through the storm. The world, once a canvas of infinite possibilities, now appears as a desolate wasteland. The vibrant hues of hope and ambition have been replaced by the dull, lifeless tones of reality. The dreams that once painted the sky with colours of promise have been washed away, leaving behind a barren landscape devoid of inspiration. My dreams, once vibrant and bold, have faded into muted shades of grey. They were once the driving force behind my every action, the fuel that kept my spirit alive. Now they are but distant memories, echoes of a time when anything seemed possible. The passion that once burned brightly within me has been extinguished, leaving only the cold ashes of disillusionment. I have chased after fleeting pleasures, only to find them empty and unsatisfying. The thrill of the chase, the excitement of the unknown, all of it has lost its allure. Each fleeting moment of joy is quickly followed by a crushing wave of emptiness, a stark reminder of the hollowness that now defines my existence. The pursuits that once brought me happiness now feel like futile attempts to fill an unfillable void. The weight of my disillusionment is a heavy cloak, stifling any remaining embers of hope. It wraps around me, suffocating my spirit and dragging me down into the depths of despair. Every step I take feels like a monumental effort, as if I am wading through a thick, oppressive fog that clouds my vision and saps my strength. The burden of my disillusionment is a constant, unrelenting presence, a shadow that I cannot escape. The world's beauty seems to mock me, a constant reminder of the joy that eludes my grasp. The vibrant colours, the lively sounds, the intoxicating scents, all of it feels like a cruel joke, a tantalising glimpse of a happiness that I can never attain. The more I am surrounded by beauty, the more acutely I feel my own emptiness. It is as if the world is taunting me, flaunting its splendour while I am left to wither in the shadows. I am a prisoner in my own mind, trapped in a cycle of despair. My thoughts are a never-ending loop of negativity and hopelessness, a dark labyrinth from which there is no escape. The walls of my mental prison are closing in, suffocating me with their oppressive weight. Every attempt to break free is met with resistance, as if my own mind is conspiring against me, determined to keep me locked in this perpetual state of misery. Even the simplest things, once sources of pleasure, now bring no comfort. The warmth of the sun on my skin, the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, the taste of my favourite foods, all of it feels hollow and meaningless. The small joys that once brightened my days have lost their lustre, leaving me numb and disconnected from the world around me. It's as if a veil of apathy has descended upon me, dulling my senses and robbing me of any semblance of happiness. The taste of food is bland, the scent of flowers cloying. The flavours that once delighted my palate now taste like ash, and the fragrances that once lifted my spirits now feel suffocating. Every sensory experience is tainted by my disillusionment, a constant reminder of the joy that has been stripped away from me. The world has lost its vibrancy, its richness, its ability to evoke any sense of wonder or delight. Music, once a balm to my soul, now grates on my nerves. The melodies that once brought me peace and comfort now feel like a cacophony of noise, an assault on my senses. The harmonies that once resonated with my innermost being now feel discordant and jarring. The beauty of music has been lost to me, replaced by a harsh, grating sound that only serves to deepen my sense of disillusionment. The world, once filled with the sweet sounds of possibility, now echoes with the harsh tones of reality. Ruling men, a path some crave, to hold the fate of nations in their hands, to command armies and shape destinies. But what is power but an illusion, a fleeting whisper in the grand scheme of things? The thirst for power is a dangerous beast, consuming all who succumb to its allure. It promises greatness but delivers only isolation and paranoia. The ruler, perched atop his precarious throne, is forever haunted by the spectre of betrayal. No, power offers no solace, only a fleeting and dangerous illusion of control. It is a path fraught with peril, leading only to further disillusionment and despair. The life of a farmer, some might say, is a life of honest labour. It is a life that many romanticize, picturing serene landscapes and the satisfaction of a hard day's work. To till the land, to nurture life from the soil, to live in harmony with nature's rhythms. The image of a farmer planting seeds in a peaceful setting is often seen as idyllic, a return to simpler times. But the earth, though bountiful, is also a harsh mistress. The reality is far from the tranquil scenes often depicted. The land can be unforgiving, and the farmer must constantly battle against the elements. Drought, famine, disease, these are the farmer's constant companions. Each season brings new challenges, and the farmer must be ever vigilant, always prepared for the worst. He toils endlessly, at the mercy of forces beyond his control. The weather, pests and market prices are just a few of the variables that can make or break a harvest. And for what? To eke out a meagre existence, always one bad harvest away from ruin? The fruits of his labour are often scant, and the rewards seem disproportionate to the effort invested. No, the pastoral life holds no appeal for me. The romanticised vision of rural life quickly fades when faced with the harsh realities of farming. It is a life of endless toil and uncertainty, offering little reward for the sweat and tears invested. The farmer's journey is one of perseverance and resilience, but it is also one of constant struggle and sacrifice. The earth offers no solace, only the relentless demand for more labour, more effort and more hope in the face of adversity. Even the farmer's family is not spared from this relentless cycle. Children grow up learning the harsh truths of the land, contributing their own labour to the family's survival. Community support can provide some relief, but it is often not enough. Farmers gather to share their woes, to seek advice, and to find solace in shared experiences, yet the underlying challenges remain. The older generation looks back with a mix of nostalgia and sorrow, remembering times when the land seemed more forgiving, when the yields were better and the future seemed brighter. And yet, despite it all, the farmer rises each day with determination. There is a resilience in the human spirit that refuses to be broken, a hope that tomorrow might bring better fortune. The sun rises over the fields, casting a golden light on the land. It is a new day, a new opportunity to try again, to plant, to nurture and to hope. The earth may offer no solace, but it also offers no final defeat. The farmer's spirit endures, ever hopeful, ever striving. Scholarship, the pursuit of knowledge, the unravelling of life's mysteries, a noble pursuit, some might argue. But what good is knowledge when it brings no peace, no solace to the soul? I have spent countless hours poring over ancient texts, seeking answers to life's unanswerable questions. But the more I learn, the more I realise how little I truly know. Wisdom, it seems, is a cruel mistress, offering glimpses of enlightenment, but never true understanding. The weight of knowledge, far from liberating, can be a crushing burden. It illuminates the vastness of the unknown, the futility of our own fleeting existence.